Hi everyone, today I thought I'd give you a tour of my hometown Wolverhampton. Wolverhampton is in the West Midlands part of England called the Black Country and is also near Birmingham, and today I'll just be showing you some of the main sights and spots around Wolverhampton.
I was hanging with you and then I realised I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.
So this church is St Peter's Church. It's the oldest church in Wolverhampton. It was founded by an Anglo-Saxon noblewoman named Lady Wolfram, and then it was named after her.
I felt, but I can't help it.
This is a statue of Lady Wolfram, who founded Wolverhampton.
Quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you.
This pillar is what remains of the original Anglo-Saxon monastery in the 9th century, and there's a artist's impression of what it used to look like there.
How I feel, maybe.
This is the University of Wolverhampton that we have. It's very nice. I've been inside once.
And for you, but I'm still stuck on you.
Now we're walking up to, I believe it's called Queen's Square, and this is like the main meeting place, just the sort of main area where everything happens.
For you.
This is the man on the horse, or the moth, if you're a local, and this is where most people meet. The man on the horse is what you say if you're from Wolverhampton.
I was hanging with you and then I realised I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out.
This is the high street where you do all your shopping. We used to have 4 Costa coffees in Wolverhampton, but we only have 2 now, very sad. We don't normally have all these barriers here, it's just for social distancing. And we have a big shopping centre called the Manda Centre there.
But I can't help it, I'm falling for you. And I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic.
This is where the bus station is and the remaining Costa coffee. There's also the train station right behind the bus station as well. This is where our theatre is, the Grand Theatre, and also Wetherspoons opposite.
Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you.
This is our art gallery next to St Peter's Church. I love how golden it looks in this light.
I'm still falling for you, for you. I'm still falling for you.
So yeah, that's it really. Hope you enjoyed that whistle stop tour of Wolverhampton. Let me know what you think, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.